Bank of Monmouth and Ocean County is really an emergency food distribution center. We provide over 5.3 million pounds of food this year to charities that are emergency pantries, soup kitchens, shelters, and other hunger relief organizations. We store food that is donated from various sources here at the food bank. We inventory it, and then we distribute it to a network of over 250 charities. New Jersey Natural Gas makes a big difference to our community. I see their fingerprints all over the community, but especially here at the food bank. We have Rick Gardner from New Jersey Resources coming in on a regular basis with his staff to actually sort food, because we have to sort it before we can actually distribute it to people in need. In addition, they have been financial supporter for several years, helping us to distribute over 5.3 million pounds of emergency food to thousands of families in need in Monmouth and Ocean counties. I'm very excited. New Jersey Natural Gas recently funded a mobile pantry for the food bank, and we're out on the road distributing. We can partner with a church and go into their parking lot, pull our mobile pantry in, open it up, we pull out the awning, we slide open the doors, and there we have fresh fruits, produce. We'll have milk and cheese and turkeys and boxes of emergency food to give out. It is a refrigerator, it's a freezer on wheels. And when you think about the hot summer, we couldn't do that because we would not want to compromise the food that we're distributing. So this is an incredible, phenomenal truck, and we're excited to be running this throughout the two counties. New Jersey Natural Gas is an organization that is on the pulse of the needs of the community. And I am so impressed with that. I don't have to call them and tell them what my needs are. They call me and say, what are your needs? And oftentimes they're telling me what they know, and they're there to respond and to help. And it's incredible for any nonprofit to know that an organization reaches out in such a positive, forceful way.